One of my favorite memories about coming here as a kid was all of the magic that the cast members made me feel. So it's really special to me to be able to make that magic for kids now. Even with something so simple as rubber ducks that we give out to kids who are either making my day or need a little magic within their day, it's really cool to be able to do something for them like that. My name is Caitlin. I work here at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. I've been a lifeguard for about 5 years. I grew up in South Florida with my mom, my dad, and my 2 brothers. And any vacation that I can ever remember us taking, we came here to Walt Disney World, and some of my happiest memories were made here. I always knew that I wanted to work for Walt Disney World. I was a bit nervous when I applied to be a lifeguard because it's something that I'd never really done before. But after all the training that Disney provides for you, I really became comfortable within myself and within my role. I started out as a part-time lifeguard. About 2 years later, I went full-time because I wanted to start moving up within the company. Within all of this time that I've been here, I've become a trainer, I've become a coordinator, I'm now a status coordinator. So I really loved the way that I moved up here. Disney started offering this program called Disney Aspire. It's for people who either want to go to school or want to go back to school, which is really helpful for me. I've been able to graduate with my associates and look into other bachelor's degrees. I started out here at Blizzard Beach and I've been here ever since. It's been about 5 years now. I feel like I built a family and I've built up my confidence. And all these relationships that I've made with people from all around the world is one of the main reasons why I wanted to stay here at Blizzard Beach.